Social Security disability. Is self-employment income substantial gainful activity? Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified attorney and author of the disability help book, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. If you're thinking about applying for Social Security disability, you need to be able to show that your condition prevents you from engaging in substantial gainful activity, or what's called SGA. In a nutshell, that phrase means that your disability is keeping you from making a living through work. Normally, if someone is employed and able to receive a sustained income despite their disability, that's the end of the matter. You're just not going to get disability benefits while earning money. However, according to the Social Security Administration's own rules, things are a bit different where self-employment is concerned. How is self-employment different from the regular income? People who work for someone else have certain expectations, including working fairly regular hours and earning more or less consistent wage. Obviously, this isn't completely true for every job, but in a general sense, you know that the money you're going to make is going to depend on the number of hours you put in. Self-employed individuals don't have that same guarantee. Some work crazy hours and make next to nothing, while others do practically nothing and still pull in a healthy income. Because of this, the Social Security Administration says that a number of factors have to be considered when deciding whether self-employed people are engaged in substantial gainful activity. These factors include market conditions, capital investments, other people's services to the company, and profit distribution. For example, what if you provide startup money for a business in exchange for profits in the future, and the business does really well for a time, earning money? Does this qualify as SGA, despite the fact that you weren't really working? In order to rule on a claim where self-employment is involved, the administrative law judge has to take these kinds of factors and situations into consideration. It's not enough for them to simply say that you're engaged in substantial gainful activity because there was money coming in. So make sure that your lawyer's on top of this situation and the appeals decision and the judge knows what's going on. If you have more Social Security questions, check out my free ebook, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy, or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.